Hello, my name is Marcellana Rusinki. Today I'm going to talk about vowels, monophthongs, and diphthongs. The vowels, there are two types. As you know, there are 5 vowels that are A, E, I, and U. Yeah, there are only 5 letters, but the vowels have 20 different sounds. Yes, when we use one vowel sound in a syllable, it's called monophthong, and when we use where there are 2 vowel sounds, they are called diphthong. So there are 20 vowels, 12 are pure vowels or monophthongs, and 8 are diphthongs. Out of the 12 pure vowels, 4 are front, 5 vowels are back, and 3 vowels are central. Let's see them now. Here we can see the vowels. Yes, as you can see, some of them have that 2 points right here. It means that those vowels are long sound. Yes, you can see that because they are long vowel sounds. Okay, so here we have that 4 are in the front, 5 are in the back, and 3 are central vowels, as we here see. Here are the monophthongs. The sound of these monophthongs is made high in the mouth, as you can see, right? Let's start, like here. This vowel is called E, like need, team, see. This one is called sh, like sheep, little, mystic. This one is called like good, wood, cool. And the last one is yuk, like shoot, root, you. Yes, that's the high sound down in the mouth. Yes, your tongue never touch your palatal, never. Your tongue never touches. You just go like ooh. High is the sound is made in the high part. Okay, let's go with the next one. Here, the sound of this monophthong is made in the middle of the mouth, in the middle. Like we have here the first one that is yes. This one is very similar, but it goes oh. Yes, it's long. As you see, it has 2 dashes, so it's long. Oh. And this one, oh. Like here, this one, like the act that went, send, letter. Yes, letter. It's in the middle. The sound is in the middle. Here we have the act of teacher, again, mother. And this one is the long sound. That is why we say nurse, bird, third, because it's a long sound, as the same as this one that's oh, door, all, law. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we have the ones that are in the bottom sound. Yes, the monophthong is made at the bottom of the mouth. So we have here like this one that is this one this one remember the 2, so it means it's a long sour vowel and this one like an okay, this one like heart, nap, cat. Yes, you can see it, that is in the bottom of the sound of your mouth. The London, but one. Long sound, part, half, far. And the other one that we have the sausage, what, top. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next one. Here we have the diphthongs. Yes, remember it's the sound when 2 vowels are together. And the diphthongs have a different sound. Okay, here. Let's see the sounds of the diphthongs. we have this one that is an ear, like ear. Career, fear, veer. This one, a, payer, layer, share. O, go, slow, o. O, bound, house, mouth. And another three that we have here that are E, bake, rain, ate. I, like cry, bright, flight. And the last one, oi, boy, joy, toy. Thank you for being here. Now I'm showing you my diagram of the different diphthongs and my biography reference. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Bye-bye.